students need to be exposed to different science subjects as early as possible. So, for the next 4 years, NASA will select 25 students in their first and second year to participate in a NASA Airborne field campaign. How cool is that?
Right turn to north, hot pass.
SASA is a new NASA internship program that will allow first and second year students to participate in a real airborne science campaign. NASA's science missions enable researchers and students to conduct cutting-edge research, including Earth and climate change science research.
Hi, my name is Dang Wu. I'm Earth scientist at NASA Goddard Space Flight Center. Our research always starts with science question. In terms of global warming, we wonder how much warmer will our climate be, and what are the impacts of the global warming.
NASA Earth Science enables informed decision-making for climate and weather, disaster preparedness and response, water and food security, health and air quality, climate change adaptation and resilience, and many other things that benefit humans and life on Earth.
The main objective is for SASA to train, mentor, inspire, and recruit students into the geoscience and earth science.
Students will gain hands-on research experience in all aspects of a research campaign, including flying on board the NASA research aircraft.
It will help you to develop skills in terms of instrumentation, designing experiments, working within a team environment.
This is a fully paid internship opportunity that includes a competitive stipend, housing, and travel. The program offers an immersive learning experience where students will participate in a NASA field and airborne campaign and will provide students from minority-serving institutions direct engagement with NASA science, scientists, and engineers.
SASA will be providing the needed opportunities for early career undergraduate students to sort of address the shortage of underrepresented groups in STEM graduate programs, as well as the research workforce.
In this project, NASA is working with academics at minority-serving institutions to encourage more minority students to take courses in science, technology, engineering, and math or STEM, where they will be given an opportunity to gain authentic geoscience fieldwork experience.
SASA is a program aimed to recruit students from minority-serving institutions with an interest in pursuing science, technology, engineering, or mathematics-related degrees and STEM careers. No prior research experience is required to apply.
No matter what your level of commitment or what you are looking to pursue in your career, STEM is much more accessible than most people think. Plus, it offers awesome career opportunities of the future and great salaries.
Students with a curiosity for or interest in STEM and those who hope to expand their passion in the sciences are strongly encouraged to apply.
The 8-week summer program comprises 3 modules. Students will, 1, receive introductory lectures and training in instrumentation and measurements, 2, participate in NASA airborne campaigns, and 3, conduct data analysis and interpretation.
SASA lectures will range from introductory to remote sensing to computer programming.
And students will gain full hands-on research experience, including flying aboard research aircraft. They will also get to travel between several universities and NASA centers.
Enhance your skills, experience authentic NASA research, and become part of a community of students empowered to take on the 21st century's grandest environmental and societal challenges.
NASA has led the way in space science and exploration for over 60 years.
30, 80 knots.
It is now time to lead by example and diversify geoscience workforce, ensuring that all of society is fairly represented.